How do you warm up breast milk from the fridge?
Start by checking the milk. Make sure it's within about 4 days in the fridge and smells normal. Gently swirl the sealed bottle to recombine the fat. Warm it by placing the bottle in a bowl of warm tap water, or use a low-heat bottle warmer. Never microwave or boil milk. Test a few drops on your wrist. It should feel lukewarm, not hot. Use within 1 to 2 hours after feeding starts, and discard leftovers.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe.